tell him you need trial. Where's Amanda? I need Amanda. Amanda, please. Do you have spare lab coats? Here's some funky new ideas for you to use them. This is the Kristina using it as a picnic blanket. Oh, we have the Katie, who's using it as a beach cover-up for those sunny days when it gets a little chilly. Those of you who like mechanical digestion with your chompas, you can eat with a bib so you don't spill on your clothes. For all you Aladdin fans, we have the magic carpet. Into athletics, you can try putting it on as a cape in the back for wind resistance. It makes your muscles work harder and build more lactic acid. And this is the Veronica, using it as an invisibility cloak. Where did she go?
Hello, Sue. How are you doing?
Hello, Crows.
What can I do for you today in my wonderful lab of biology?
So, tell me about this cape.
Well, it is very important if you use it for a baby. It can help to aid in protecting yourself from the harmful specimen that you intake. That specimen then goes in your mouth and is broken down by enzymes. And those enzymes, such as amylase, help to begin chemical digestion. That chemical digestion helps to continue into your small intestine, where much of the chemical digestion takes place.
Breaking news! A fight has just broken out between a mitochondria and a chloroplast. Let's take a look.
Get your hands off my thylakoid! I'm more important than you.
I'm more important! Get away from me!
Do you have any more questions for me?
What about as lactic acid?
Well, it is very important with this cape of my dear friend who is undergoing a very important surgery right now. It is very important with the cape that you put it on your back with wind resistance. That wind resistance help to make you work stronger, and it helps to make your muscles work faster. You build more muscle.
Hey Tina! What? I'm gonna hit you in the spleen with a bucket!
Oh no! Ow!
Hey Tina! What? What's the difference between a dog and a whale pitcher?
I don't know! What?
One wags the tail, the other tags the whale.
Hey guys, this is Amanda. I'm just gonna go prepare to take my AP exam. I'm gonna take a quick nature walk before so I can clear my mind.
Stand in. Oh, stand in. Dad? Stand in.
Hey!
Stand in.
Hey, what are you guys doing? This is a private set. I have to go take my AP exam.
They're stranded.
What are you doing?
Waiting for death to take me.
What?
I got a paper cut this morning. You can't see it anymore.
What do you mean you're gonna die?
Look, I'm bleeding to death. Okay?
What are you doing?
I'm flapping my wings. Hopefully, eventually, I'll be able to fly and I can pass the trait on to my daughter.
What? Who are you?
I haven't used my legs in 5 minutes and I can't walk now because I haven't used them.
Oh my God.
Death. I'm stranded. Stranded. Is that you? Just want to be free. Death.
Alright, I need to teach these kids about some biology, so yeah, I might be a little late to my exam, but it'll be worth it. Alright, so why do you think you're dying?
Because I got a paper cut and it won't stop bleeding.
Just because you have a paper cut and you're bleeding doesn't mean you're going to bleed forever.
What does it mean?
Well, you see, you have platelets in your blood. Those platelets help with clotting. In your blood system and in your blood, you have red blood cells, which have hemoglobin. They lack mitochondria in a nucleus, so you can have more oxygen attached to them. You also have white blood cells, which have B cells and T cells, which help with your immune response. And you also have plasma. That plasma is composed in your blood too. You have platelets, which help with clotting, and that plays an important role so you don't bleed to death. But I don't think you're gonna die, so go run along.
I'm gonna live! I'm gonna live!
So, what's your problem?
I haven't used my legs in 5 minutes, and now they don't work because I didn't use them.
So, who told you that you are gonna die if you don't use your legs in 5 minutes?
This guy on the street, I think his name was Lamarck. Yeah.
Alright, well, Lamarck was wrong. Use and disuse is wrong.
But he was in my textbook too.
Well, I don't think you read far enough in your textbook.
No, it said if you don't use something, it goes away. Didn't use my legs, they're gonna go away.
Well, we have these things called vestigial structures. We have a thing called a spleen. That is a vestigial structure. Just because we don't use our spleen as much as we really can, doesn't mean we're necessarily gonna completely get rid of it. But there's also some occurrences like snakes. Snakes used to have hind legs. They got rid of those because it was basically costing them too much energy to have them. They were unnecessary. However, if you don't use your legs in 5 minutes, it doesn't mean that you're not gonna have them anymore. It just means that you're gonna have less movement in them. And as soon as you start moving your legs again, look, you will have some, success. Look at you.
Work! Oh my God, they work!
All right, so what are you doing?
Flapping.
Why are you flapping your wings?
Because eventually I'll be able to fly.
Who
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but eventually.
told you that you're gonna be able to fly?
My friend Lamar.
So it was the same one who said that use and disuse.
You could say that.
Well, I don't think he was right about inheritance of acquired traits.
I will be able to fly one day.
You might think you'll be able to fly, but I don't actually think it's gonna happen. I think flapping your wings might just give you a little bit more, strength in your arms. But it really also has to do with natural selection. If somehow a human is born with wings, and that's more advantageous to their survival, it might be passed on. But you can't just spontaneously grow wings. It has to be over generations. You have to evolve to have wings. You see, individuals, they can't evolve, but species, those can evolve. Might want to stop.
Message received. I will be right back with your glucose.
Natalie, I've been giving it some thought, and yeah, we were like chromosomes. You'd be my homologous pair. If I were a selectively permeable membrane, I'd let you in. I just want you to know that I would stick to you like glucose.
I'm reporting you to biology police. I did not ask for a video. I asked for photosynthesis, not enzymes.
Again, this is a poem by Darwin Shakespeare called Enzymes. Oh, enzymes, how wonderful your gene regulation is. No reaction is fast enough until you came along and catalyzed it. Competitive inhibitors come and try to take you away from me, your one and only substrate. They're jealous of the bond we share. Non-competitive inhibitors change your shape and thus your function, but not me. I like you just the way you are. You are my one and only enzyme, forever yours, substrate.
And I forgot my ficus.
Amanda, please.